Hi everyone, it's Kunihiro again. Thank you for coming back to my channel. Today I want to show you guys how to prepare sushi rice. But before we start cooking rice, we have to prepare sushi vinegar first. So let's begin. You need 145 milliliters of rice vinegar, 2.8 ounces of sugar, 0.87 ounces of salt, and some dried kelp. We call it DASHI KONBU. So I'm adding sugar and salt to the rice vinegar, and let's start mixing. And keep on mixing for 5 minutes until all the sugar and the salt are completely dissolved. And once you are done with mixing, please make sure nothing is left on the bottom. And put dried kelp for adding nice kombu flavor to this. And this is it. But you have to leave this out for a day. This process makes the vinegar mild. Since I already have sushi vinegar prepared yesterday, let's start preparing rice. I'm cooking 3 cups of rice today. And please make sure to use short grain rice or medium grain rice. And when you measure the rice, do it properly. This is 1 cup. Let me wash rice. Add a little bit water. And wash it gently. And when you wash rice, please make your hand look like this. And please do not crush rice like this. You are going to break the grains. Let me throw away the water. And repeat the same process 3 or 4 times until water gets clear. Okay, I'm done with washing. And now I'm soaking this rice for 30 minutes. By doing this, rice will be cooked evenly and taste much better. It's been 30 minutes. Please take a look. It turned completely white, meaning this rice absorbed enough water and it's ready to be cooked. Since you are mixing the rice with sushi vinegar later, you have to cook the rice a little bit hard. So please make sure to set water level a little bit lower than recommended. And let the machine do its job. This is called sushi oke or hangiri. I always mix sushi rice in this one. And right before mixing rice, please rinse it once so the rice won't stick to the bottom.
And you can find this one as cheap as 20 bucks at Amazon. They all do the same job. Okay, rice is ready. Let's start making sushi rice. I'm using 200 milliliters of sushi vinegar. And when you are adding rice vinegar, please use your rice paddle like this. First, mix in this way. Make sure all the rice gets sushi vinegar evenly. And change to slicing motion. Please imagine you are separating all the grains. And don't leave any chunks behind. And while you are cutting rice with your right hand, please rotate sushi oke with your left hand. Okay, this is enough. Let me clean up the paddle and the side of the sushi oke. Now you need to fan the rice. Keep on fanning for about 30 seconds to cool it down a little bit. Okay, that's it. And leave this for 5 minutes. And when you come back, flip the rice like this. And separate the rice with the slicing motion. And once again, when you are done mixing, don't leave any grains on the paddle and side of the sushi oke, because they get dried out so easily and they don't taste good. And fan the rice for 30 seconds again. But don't cool it down too much, because I want to serve it with body temperature. Okay, this is good. Leave this on for another 5 minutes. Now gather all the rice on one side, like this. And cover it with a damp cloth. And give it another 15 minutes to rest. Then that's it. It's ready to use.
Okay, mission completed. Making sushi rice for the first time should be really difficult. But you get better each time, so please keep on practicing. Thank you for watching today's video. See you next time.